All right, everyone. Wow. So amazing day today. I've been doing an experiment the last couple weeks about just staying neutral on the bike, no body position whatsoever, and keeping stock pressure on my tires versus lowering down for more traction, right? Because I wanted to find out how long these tires will last with stock pressure, and I wanted to find out, can I ride the same pace with stock pressure? Like, do they have as much grip? So far, they do have just as much grip. I haven't felt any difference of grip. And then also no body position, so not moving around. Because people ask me all the time, look at my body position. Do I need to hang off? I'm like, most of you aren't going fast enough to even benefit body position, and you don't even understand when you get off to the inside of the bike. When do you do it? Why do you do it? How do you do it? There's so much confusion about it. So I'm just like, you know what? Let's forget about body position, because body position is not really introduced to a rider until that is the last thing that's holding them back. So today, went up to Palomar. I'm in my pajamas, not full leathers, nothing, not moving my body an inch. I didn't move my butt whatsoever, just sitting like a statue on the bike. And I wanted to see how quickly I could go with no body position and stock pressure on my tires. I have Bridgestone S23 tires, stock pressure 36 cold in the front, 42 cold in the rear. Stock pressure like it says in the owner's manual with no body position, bottom to top of Palomar, right? On South grade. So I went today and I did 650 bottom to top, and that's very, very quick with no body position whatsoever. Awesome. So now I know if you go to Palomar and go bottom top of South grade and you're doing 715, 730, and you're trying to hang off the bike like a MotoGP rider with your super sticky tires that's lowered down really far, well, you might want to focus on the basics and go back to school to learn the fundamentals, because all I did today was PhD level fundamentals. Vision throttle brakes, counter steering, line selection. So the question to ask yourself, if you're not riding as quickly as me and you're hanging off the bike more than me, like using body position, why are you doing it? And if you don't know why you're doing something, don't do it. Oh, I saw the guy hang off, so I think that's what I have to do. Okay, well, you go riding around and you're riding slower than me, but you're using full body position like you're on a track, but you're not even riding as fast as I am. So you probably don't need to be doing body position right now. It really only becomes relevant when you're riding at a really fast pace, and when to hang off the inside to take away a little bit of lean angle is only really important for the slowest point of the corner, which is where you have the most lean angle. So if I go into the corner fast and I slow it down to 40 miles per hour, not that much speed, not that much lean angle, and then come out of it fast, there's no point of me hanging off the bike, because where would I have the most lean? In the middle of the turn, where the slowest point of the turn is. That's where the max lean will happen. So if the max lean is only 40 degrees, what's the purpose of hanging off the bike? I'm not going to be dragging knee at 40 degrees. So you see what I'm saying? This is the confusion around body position. People think you have to hang off the bike all the time. Before the corner begins, everywhere. It's like, you're not going quick enough to get the benefits. And this video that I'm about to show you of me going up and down Palomar, or me going up Palomar with no body position whatsoever, proves it. Just get good at the fundamentals. Stop worrying about all this body position crap. And by the way, these are my tires front and rear after riding today. So no body position whatsoever, staying neutral the whole time, and still able to ride quick, no problem. Here's the rear.